guys, welcome to Creativity Area. Today we are going to see another video. Let's watch. Hi, hello guys. Today we are going to see how to make hologram using a plastic bottle. So let's see. So things we needed: a plastic bottle, a pen and a blade. So guys, today we are going to make a hologram. So first we have to take a plastic bottle, a pen. First we have to do some markings. Take a pen and mark around right here where the cap fits. No, we don't want that place, so we will cut it. Let's first mark it, and from that marking to about like 6 or 7 centimeter, or 5-6 centimeter. But to mark, I will mark right here. That's okay. Now we have to cut it. So let's start. First let's cut it. Okay. So it should not be like perfect cut. It can be slightly like what I did, like this. It's not a problem. No, we don't want this. We want to cut this area. It's going to be a tough job because at this area it's like a thick plastic. You have to like saw it. The structure should be like this. First we have to. We don't want this. So this is the main structure. First I will sand the edges. I'm using a 60 grit sandpaper. I will sand it and show the results, okay? So guys, I have finished, not really, because this took so long. So I have made already one, so I am taking that. This will also work as the same as this one, I'll show. So what you have to search in Google or YouTube, anything, hologram video. Okay, and you will see some videos like four figures running, or 4 butterflies, like here one, like that, and you choose that video. So I will make it full screen. Now I will show it. First we have to switch off the lights. So you can see in the hologram video, you can see X here. You have to keep it right in the X, middle of the X. And we have to off the lights and turn on the video. Enjoy. You can see that butterfly. It's not fake, it's 3D. Guys, I also told you I will show using this one, that lined one. You can see the lines. So let's keep it like this in center. I would recommend without any design, like this plain bottle. It would be nice to see through. You can still see that. When I take this one, just take 2 dimensions. Keep this. So thank you guys. This is how you make hologram simple and easy by recycling plastic. So this is Aditya signing out and thank you. So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Creativity Area and hit the bell notification button and click the like button. Thank you.